guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome, GWAN. So first of all, if you're hearing an echo sound in this video, I am in a semi-empty room, so it might get a little echoey throughout this video, so excuse me. Okay guys, so to begin my foundation routine, I usually start with my eyebrows, and as you can see, they're already done. I'm a eyebrow before foundation type of girl. We're just gonna move along. So first I'm gonna prime my face with the Pro Filler Primer. Now I typically have oily skin and I haven't used Fenty Beauty foundation in months. It used to work like so bomb on me, but I don't know, it started to not look so good. Not saying not look so good, but it was giving me, I don't know, a different type of look for the last couple months that I was using it for. So I decided to switch foundations, and the foundation that I'm using now is what am I using? I'm using Too Faced right now in Chai, and that is not working so well for me now either. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, we're switching back to Fenty just to see if it was that I just gotta, you know, the one that I was using before just wasn't with it, or I don't know if at that time of the year my skin just wasn't cooperating with the foundation. So it's winter time, it's cold. We're gonna see if the foundation worked this time. Now that I've primed, so I'll be using the 420 shade, and I can't go up or down with this foundation. If I go down to 430, it's way too dark, and if I go above to 410, I don't know, it's giving me an orangish color, so that wasn't working for me. So we're just gonna go with the 420 and just hope this time around it actually works. To apply it, I'm going to use a foundation brush, and for me, I like to put it directly on my skin, then use my application brush or my beauty blender to, you know, smooth it out everything. So forget that, we're gonna use the beauty blender instead. So I'm gonna put some more directly on, and this is a buildable foundation. I like super coverage. Okay, so far so good, it's working. And some people don't like when their foundation oxidized, but I don't mind. Okay, it is blending. It is blending really well. I like it. So I also like to go on top of my eyelids with my foundation. Even if I already use concealer on it, I like to put the foundation on it. So, you know, I just get one shade. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna move my lace a little bit. But yes, girl, it's a GWAN, it's a work, you know. I have to make sure that the foundation is like the same shade as my necklace. I don't know what was happening for me in the last couple months. So I'm going to build on it a little bit more. And also the great thing about it, even though it's buildable and all of that, I love that it's lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on my face. And I love that it's also a soft matte where I don't look so ashy in the winter, but at the same time I have oily skin, so it just gives me that matte enough finish where it's not like super dry. Now to conceal under my eye and to give myself a little bit of highlight, I am using the new concealer, and with each concealer, or with each foundation rather, there is a concealer to match. So there's 420, you have 420 concealer, but I'm like, you know what, I want it a little bit lighter, so I went with 390. I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. And basically, I'm following my typical foundation routine, only using Fenty products. So this is my first time using this concealer on it. It's full effect. And this one is very gold. So I dampened my beauty blender a little bit so that it works well with the concealer, or blend everything together right up. And also what I realized for the past couple months also is I've been getting a lot of under eye creasing. So this says it's supposed to prevent, it's supposed to prevent under eye creasing. I don't even know what it's saying. But I'm not supposed to be creasing too much with this, so hopefully it works with that. Ooh, it blends so good. It's like melting into my skin. Product review from a non-makeup guru. And I love that it's not too bright, and it still blends so nice with the foundation, even though it's not the corresponding concealer. And it's oily as Jesus, my edges. Girl, stop playing with me. Okay, now to contour and add a little bit of dimension. I'm going to use Truffle, and this is the matchstick. Y'all already know what the matchstick is. So I'm just gonna go here. And also for 420, Espresso is really good, but because I'm not very good at contouring, I didn't want a deep, super deep shade because if it mess up this, Lord of mercy. I'm gonna take my camera manage. I just do this for reduce my forehead a little bit. My forehead big already. And I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender again and just dab and blend that out. And I'm trying to do this quickly so I can get to setting my under eye. Usually it depends on my mood. Sometimes I'll set my under eye before I contour. I don't know, it's just whatever mood I'm in. Now to set my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Pro Filler Instant Touch setting powder, and I'm using the shade Honey. So y'all already know, y'all probably seen a dozen demos and reviews on this already. The same dirty beauty blender. And I'm just going to press it under my eye. So I'm not going to bake, just to set. And I'm going to use it lightly on the rest of my face to set my foundation. But for under the eye, I'm just going to press it in so that I don't get that creasing. I'm going to now dust off the excess powder from under my eyes. And then use the same setting powder just to dab on the rest of my face. I think to set the rest of my face, chestnut would have been... Is it chestnut or hazelnut? The next shade down, I think, would be so good in setting the rest of my face. So I'd probably get that next time. And yeah, that is the foundation routine. Okay, so I just did a full foundation routine using only Fenty products, and the results are nice. Tell me what you guys think. So I'm just going to do a little bit of eye makeup, and then we're gonna close out the video. I also forgot to go under the contour a little bit just to give me the sharpness, and I'm just gonna dust this off. Now I'm gonna use this facial spray just to add back some of that moisture to my face. So this is going to definitely be the next thing Fenty is gonna do. They're gonna have a setting spray. Okay, now that my eye makeup is completed, I'm going to use Clapback to finish off my look. So first I'm gonna line up my lips. And I don't know, I just feel for a dark bluish type of look. So let's see how this looks. My lips look kind of choppy. Oh, and I almost forgot to highlight. So for this highlighted look, I'm going for a more goldish look. So I will be using Trophy Wife to add that highlight. This look took a turn so fast. We went from basic foundation to full glam. Like, what is going on? This was not planned. Okay guys, now this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I did. I am feeling this whole look. It's a little bit different, a little bit out of my comfort zone, and I actually think it's cute. What do you guys think? Now, if you are new and you watched the entire video, you can go ahead and subscribe. Like, girl, like there's a ton of video for you to watch. Get into it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @damnthatschev. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.